Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night to excruciating pain in your big toe? Or maybe you've experienced sudden, intense joint pain that comes out of nowhere? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide suffer from these symptoms, often caused by a condition called gout. Gout is triggered by the buildup of uric acid in your body. This might sound complex, but understanding it is key to managing this painful condition. Today, we're diving deep into the world of uric acid. We'll uncover the foods that could be fueling this silent enemy and share some delicious and effective ways to keep your uric acid levels in check. Stick around till the end for a special surprise. So, first things first, what exactly is uric acid? Uric acid is a waste product that's formed when your body breaks down purines, substances found in various foods. Normally, uric acid is excreted through the urine, but when it builds up, it can lead to painful conditions like gout and other health issues. If high uric acid levels are left unchecked, they can cause serious problems. We're talking about painful gout attacks, kidney stones, and even kidney damage. That's why it's crucial to manage your uric acid levels with your diet. One of the best ways to keep your uric acid levels under control is by limiting high purine foods. Purines are compounds that break down into uric acid, so reducing them can help prevent those spikes in uric acid levels. Let's jump into the list of foods you should definitely avoid to keep your uric acid levels in check. 1. Red meat. Red meats, such as beef, lamb, and pork, are known for their high purine content. Purines are substances that break down into uric acid in the body. Consuming red meat regularly can lead to elevated levels of uric acid because these meats contain purines in high concentrations. When uric acid levels rise, it can crystallize in the joints, leading to painful conditions like gout. In addition to gout, consistently high uric acid levels from excessive red meat consumption can strain the kidneys, potentially leading to kidney stones and other renal issues. Red meat also tends to be high in saturated fats, which can contribute to weight gain, further exacerbating the risks associated with high uric acid levels. 2. Seafood. Seafood, including fish such as sardines, anchovies, and shellfish, is another category of food high in purines. These types of fish and shellfish contain significant amounts of purines, which, when broken down, increase uric acid levels in the body. Elevated uric acid can lead to painful gout attacks, characterized by severe joint pain and inflammation. Additionally, seafood can contribute to the formation of uric acid crystals in the kidneys, potentially leading to kidney stones. For individuals with a history of gout or elevated uric acid levels, reducing or eliminating seafood from their diet is often recommended to manage and prevent these painful conditions. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol, particularly beer and spirits, is detrimental to those with high uric acid levels for several reasons. Firstly, alcohol increases the production of uric acid in the body and impairs its excretion by the kidneys. Beer, in particular, is rich in purines, which further contributes to elevated uric acid levels. Spirits can also interfere with the body's ability to eliminate uric acid effectively. Consuming alcohol regularly can exacerbate gout symptoms and increase the frequency of gout attacks. Furthermore, alcohol can contribute to dehydration, which impairs kidney function and reduces the body's ability to flush out excess uric acid. 4. Sugary foods and beverages. Sugary foods and beverages, including soda and candies, can significantly impact uric acid levels. High sugar intake, especially from high fructose corn syrup, can lead to increased production of uric acid in the body. Fructose, a type of sugar found in many processed foods and sweetened drinks, is particularly problematic because it is metabolized into purines, which then break down into uric acid. Excessive consumption of sugary foods and beverages can lead to higher uric acid levels, worsening gout symptoms, and contributing to overall metabolic issues such as insulin resistance and obesity, which further aggravate uric acid problems. 5. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, including white bread, pastries, and other products made from refined flour, can negatively impact uric acid levels. These foods often have a high glycemic index, which can lead to increased insulin resistance and elevated uric acid levels. Insulin resistance can exacerbate the problem by making it harder for the body to process and eliminate uric acid effectively. Additionally, refined carbohydrates can contribute to weight gain, which further stresses the joints and kidneys, increasing the risk of gout attacks and other complications related to high uric acid levels. 6. High fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS, is a common sweetener found in many processed foods and beverages. It has been shown to increase uric acid production in the body. Fructose, the primary component of HFCS, is metabolized into purines, which then break down into uric acid. Regular consumption of foods and drinks containing HFCS can lead to elevated uric acid levels and an increased risk of gout. Moreover, HFCS contributes to overall calorie intake and weight gain, further complicating the management of uric acid levels and increasing the likelihood of associated health issues. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are often considered a healthy food choice, but they contain moderate amounts of purines. While they are not as high in purines as some other foods, consuming large quantities can still contribute to increased uric acid levels. For individuals with high uric acid levels or gout, mushrooms can be problematic because they contribute to the overall purine load in the diet. Managing portion sizes and frequency of mushroom consumption is crucial for those trying to control their uric acid levels. 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a popular vegetable that also contains purines. Similar to asparagus, it provides many health benefits but can increase uric acid levels if eaten in large quantities. Individuals with gout or high uric acid levels should be mindful of their cauliflower intake. Overconsumption can exacerbate uric acid-related issues, making it important to balance cauliflower with other low-purine vegetables in the diet. Now for a little treat. Here's a special juice recipe to help control uric acid levels. You'll need 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, a handful of celery, a small piece of ginger. Juice these ingredients together, and enjoy a refreshing drink that can help in managing uric acid levels. Managing uric acid is all about making smart food choices. By avoiding high purine foods and incorporating healthy options, you can keep those levels in check and live more comfortably. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from it, and leave a comment if you have any questions or additional tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.